Hey there, word explorers. Today we're diving into the world of homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Ready for a giggle-filled grammar adventure? Let's go! Homophones can be tricky. Imagine hearing a word like flower, but wait, do you mean the pretty or the white powder you bake with? That's a homophone. Let's try one. Bear the animal, bear without clothes. I saw a bear in the woods. My feet are bare on the sand. Can you spot the difference? See, to look, see a big ocean. I can see the waves at the sea. Let's play a quick game. Which pair is the right homophone for eating a pear? A, pear and pear. B, pear and pear. C, pear and pear. Pause for answer. Pear and pear sound the same but mean different things. Did you know the word homophone comes from Greek? Homo means same and phone means sound, so homophone equals same sound. Here's a fun one. Knight, a brave warrior. Night, when it gets dark, the knight rode off into the night. Now it's your turn. Can you make a sentence with these homophones? Write, and write blue, and blue. Say it out loud or write it down. Go ahead, have fun. Homophones can be confusing, but also super funny, like, I knew the new shoe was blue. Get it? New/new, shoe/blue? What a tongue twister. You did it! You've learned all about homophones. Remember, they sound the same, but don't mean the same. Keep practicing and you'll be a master of words in no time.